SHARC is very proud to announce today that we're part of the King County Wastewater Energy Transfer program, or WET system. We're installing a SHARC system in downtown Seattle to do the heating, air conditioning, and hot water for a number of buildings down there, just blocks from the Space Needle. The SHARC WET system offers many benefits to cities. Low carbon, economical to operate, environmentally friendly, a very good example of a circular economy because you're reusing the same energy every day. Seattle's just the latest city to announce their plans to harvest the energy that goes down the drains every day in the wastewater flow. This project will be the first WET system installed on the west coast of the U.S. It's been about a 9-year process for us to get this project through, but thanks to Seattle and King County for their forward thinking, there'll be many more cities across the country now implementing the program. So we've done about 25 or 30 systems on 3 continents around the world now, and SHARC Energy anticipates with all the new carbon incentives and regulations that are coming into cities around the world, our number of installations will grow exponentially.